Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Ask Savvy. Today, I'm going to tell you about Billion Money. Billion Money is a smart contract recently launched, and there are four different types of income. Even without referring anyone, you can earn a lot of income by their auto pool. There are different types of income here, and this works on a stable crypto called PAX. PAX is a stable coin that has a value of $1, and you can take entry in Billion Money with just $20. $20, that is $20 of equivalent PAX. You can take entry in this Billion Money. Friend, this is a beautiful work from home opportunity. You can earn money even without referring anyone by the auto pool, or even you can refer your friends and start making a good income. So how it works and what are the different plans that we will discuss here one by one. So these are five types of opportunities which you will be getting when you join Billion Money with PAC. Okay, so first one is the level income, and second one is the uni level income. This is income you will be receiving from your team, that is 20 level down. You will start earning income immediately, even a single person is entering your metrics. So this is a 20 level income. Third one is the auto pool income. Here, this is a 3 by 3 matrix, but you do not have to refer anyone. As soon as you take an entry in this Billion Money by paying 20 packs, that is $20, you are into pool number one. So when you activate, or you can, when you upgrade your second level, that is level number two, you get entry into pool number two, and so on. Here, people will come globally under you, and you will be earning auto pool income for lifetime. The third one is the recycle income, because this is a smart contract. It is made to recycle after every 180 days. That is, after every 6 months, all the pool participants have to again buy $20 packs, and they have to remain active in the system. And you will be earning every time when your team gets recycled. And the most important is the global dividend. This is first time introduced by any smart contract. You just have to introduce 10 people under you, your direct referrals, and you will get monthly dividend income. I repeat again, this is a global dividend income stream. Just refer 10 direct IDs under you, and you are eligible to earn monthly dividend income. Friends, every month all the participants who have completed their 10 direct referral, the total amount will be distributed among them, so that you can see in the website also how much amount is there, and the number of participants will be equally divided, and this is a monthly income that you will be getting from smart contract. This has never happened in any smart contract, hence this smart contract is going to blast in the coming months. So friends, you just take early position here, because at the present time, just 15 days before this plan was launched, and not more than 500 IDs has been placed. I think almost 400 something IDs are active now, and if you take position now, you can earn a good income not only from auto pool, but you can earn a monthly income as a global dividend. Okay friends, so this is the marketing plan. First one is 2 by 2 matrix. You pay $20 and you get entered into Billion Money, and this is your first level. You will be referring people under you, and after upgrading your ID, you have to pay another $20 for your second level upgrade. Similarly, the third level is $40, fourth level is 140, and fifth one is $600. This is the phase one. Similarly, there are 10 more, 5 more levels, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, that will be in a reverse order. We will discuss this later on, and let's see how this system work and how you will be earning from your referrals. Okay, so friends, here this is your ID, and you have to activate your ID by paying $20. After activation of your ID, you are eligible to receive income from your downlines. So when you activate your ID, you are paying $20 to the smart contract, and you are buying the smart contract from your first upline. Similarly, when you refer someone, you will be earning directly $10 from your first referral. This is number one. He will be paying you $10, and similarly the second referral will also be paying you $10. This is level 1. When you upgrade your ID by $20 again, you goes to level 2, and there are 4 persons, they will be paying you $15 each. We will discuss this later on, and this is how it will work. So you will be paying, you're applying 1 2 3 4 5 for your level upgrade, and similarly your downline 1 2 3 4 5 will pay you when they buy their upgrade. So this is how this level distribution will work. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. You will get 2 position under you, followed by 2, followed by 4, then 8, then 16, then 32. This is a 5 level matrix, 2 by 2 matrix. This is how you will be earning. The first two persons will be paying you $10 each, so you will be earning $20 in your level 1, from which you will upgrade your ID, and then the 4 person in your second level, they will be paying you $15 each, so your income will be $60. And similarly, from your third downline, 8 persons will be paying you $30 each, so total income will be 240. And the 16 persons on the fourth level, they will be paying $120, so this will be your income 1920. And so on, you will keep on earning from your levels. So friends, there are total 10 levels, and this you can see on your website how it is working. As soon as you are upgrading, you are also going to auto pool also income, so we will discuss it later on. And this is the level bonus. You will be getting paid up to 20 deep levels. So suppose this is your level 1, you will be getting $10 plus 5% extra bonus on your level 1. And then this is your level 2, 4 persons they are coming in your level 2. You will be also earning 3% of $20, that is $0.60, that is 60 cents per person you will be earning from level 2. So friends, this level will be filling from yourself, from your downline, and also from your uplines. So you are also earning direct referral income, also you are earning level income. Now this is the beautiful auto pool system, and here you do not need even a single person to earn auto pool income. So how it works, this is a 3 by 10 matrix. So members will be automatically placed under you as per as their joining. First 3 persons, then 9, 27, 81 to 43, and so on up to level 10. These persons will be filling up slowly gradually under you. And as soon as you activate your ID with $20, you are entered into pool number 1. So this is pool number 1. That is when you upgrade your level 1, your ID is automatically placed in pool number 1. Similarly, when you activate your ID with level 2 by paying another 20 packs, you are also eligible to receive level pool 2 income, auto pool income from level 2. So you will be earning auto pool income from level 1 also and level 2 also, and so on. If you are activating, you are upgrading your ID with level 3, auto pool 3 will also be eligible for you, and you will be earning income. You can see here, this is a auto pool level income chart. First 3 members, if you are in pool 1, 2 and 3, you will be earning $1.5 from pool 1, 1.8 from pool 2, $3 from pool 3. And if you have upgraded your ID to level 4 also, then you will be earning $7 in auto pool number 4 from your 3 members. So friends, there is a lot of income potential even if you are not upgrading your ID. Just as an example, I'm telling you, just activated your ID with $20, you are in pool number 1. So people will be coming and entering your pool slowly, and you can see an example. If 2187 people globally, they have registered after you, and they are coming under you in your auto pool, you will be earning more than $600 without doing anything, without referring anyone. Just you have activated your ID and you have taken a bold step, and a first step by just watching this video and you have just entered your activated your ID in Billion Money with $20, and when times comes, people will start increase. They will be increasing in this beautiful concept. They will be coming and activating your ID, and you will be earning automatically from this pool. And if you wish to increase your income, you can upgrade your ID in level 2 and you will be earning from level 2 also. Okay friends, so these are 10 auto pool levels, and this will depend upon your activation. Which level you have bought, you will be earning from all those auto pool incomes without even referring a single one. Just I'll remind to you. Okay friends, and this is most unique one, global dividend, because it has never happened in the history of smart contract that the system is paying you monthly dividend from your efforts. So what is the eligible criteria? Let me tell you. This is a global dividend, is a collective income that is collected from the Billion Money community, and to be eligible for this system you need to join 10 direct active participants. Okay, so only criteria to get global dividend fund monthly income, that you have to refer 10 people from your ID and you are eligible to get this monthly income for lifetime. So friends, on this is a monthly basis, funds are collected on every ID. Some amount of dollars, they will be uh, kept apart from this your level income. They will be they will be put in a global dividend club, and that will be on monthly basis distributed to all the persons who are eligible. So friend, this is a passive income. This has never happened in any smart contract. That's why this smart contract is a unique one. And I just wanted to remind you Billion Money. And this is the steps to enroll. As I have told you already through 2-3 times. This works on the DApps wallet. First one is MetaMask. Second one, you can even join from a Coinbase DApps, and third one is the Trust Wallet. I prefer Trust Wallet because I work in Trust Wallet. So you can download Trust Wallet from your Android or iOS, and you can register the account. Please note, every new ID requires a new wallet. This is very important. You cannot put multiple IDs. You have to create a new wallet every time if you want to put your more IDs in the system. So you have to create a new wallet, then you can activate your new ID. So friend, this is the step number 2. Click the referral link. Referral link will be given under this YouTube video, and you have to put the sponsor ID. If you can also write billionmoney.live, and under registration page it will ask you to put a sponsor ID. Your account will be registered. You have to put a minimum of 20 packs in your trust wallet. Just click on login. Automatically a button will appear, and it will be a red button, and it will show a billion money button. Okay, this you have to click that button and you will be registered, and then PEX will be automatically deducted from your Trust Wallet and your ID will be activated. Then again, just go to Trust Wallet in a DApp browser, click, you can write billionmoney.live, and then you have to click login. Automatically your ID will be activated, so your browser will open, and you can start referring people to this system, and you can make a lot of income from here. Friends, this is the PDF of Billion Money that we have discussed, but now I'm going to take you to the website. This is billionmoney.live. This is the website. You can browse every section of this website to understand more deeply how it works. This is the registration on login page, and this is a total decentralized system. Globally, people are coming. They will be earning from all 5 different types of categories. This is a total risk free because this is an open source smart contract which you can check yourself from etherscan.io. How you can check, I will tell you. Just go to the bottom of this website. This is a contract address. You have to click this address and it will take you to etherscan.io. This is the contract. You have to click here and you can see the source. This is the source of Billion Money. This is a decentralized platform. This is the source. You can check it, and if you have more knowledge you can browse other things also. These are the transactions which are there in which are coming in or coming out of this billion money smart contract. This is the internal transactions and token transaction. You can see each and everything. This is totally transparent system. That's why I love smart contracts, because everything is open to all, and you can see each and everything. So friend, this is billion money.live, a Russian smart contract. Do not miss this beautiful opportunity. Just register yourself and you will be earning a lot of income. Friends, everything is available on website also, you can see. And if you wish to if you want to have this PDF, you can contact me via my YouTube channel or via my Telegram channel. I will provide you the PDF so that you can thoroughly go through the system. Joining is 20 packs, and these are the 10 levels that is divided into two phases. First one is phase 1 to phase 5, then phase 6 to phase 10. And this is a 2 by 2 matrix. 2 4 8 16 32 people will be under you, and you will be earning when they buy levels from you. And when people from your downline, they will also buy smart contract from you, and you will be earning from them. Okay, so this is the working income, but I've already told you there are two more incomes that you can earn from here. Second one is the level income. 20 level down people will be paying you, and also an auto pool income. And these are the most trusted platform ever in the history of smart contracts. So friends, this is the level profit. You can see how much you will be earning from level income. This is the pool profit from pool 1. You can earn without referring anyone 42,979 when the people they are joining, and everyone will be placed in auto pool. So auto pool 1 will run very fast. I tell you, it will run very fast. So just take an entry into auto pool 1, and if you wish to earn more, just upgrade your ID with level 2. You will be placed in auto pool 2 also, which has got potential of more than 50,000 US dollars, and there you do not need any single person to earn this income. Time will come, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, when lakhs of people will be there in billion money, and your ID is on 300 and 400 number. So not many entries will be under you, and they will be paying you in your pool profit. So friends, this is all about billion money, and some FAQ questions are put up here. You can go through this system, and if you have any doubt, you can. I have already